So apart from doing your own color corrections, what you can also do is use Davinci Resolve Looks, which is a set of preset color correction looks that you can apply to your footages. So to do that, you need to go around over here on the color page, and then you need to go around and click on this button right here, the expand button. Once you do that, you can see that there's different preset color correction looks known as Davinci Resolve Looks right here. There's cool looks, there's desat looks, that is desaturation looks, there's hipster looks, there's scene, skin, and warm. If you want to access all of them together, then you can click on all right here, and all of the looks will be loaded. And as you load out, you can see that you see a preview of how the footages would look as well. So I'm just going to go around and bring each of these out right here onto the stills area. So you can see that you can click and drag this out right here, and then bring this out right here. So let me just go around and close this, and whatever stills I brought in, you can see that it is here. So you can go around and hover around to see what you want to apply, and apply the color correction that you want accordingly. So if you want this, you can simply apply this out, as you can see right here, and you don't need to do your color corrections manually. As long as you're okay with the preset color correction, you can use them easily as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.